Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So on the Solana chart, we are still experiencing a local downtrend, basically a pullback and possibly a larger uptrend after Solana produced a wave 1, came down in a wave 2 and would now be in a third wave based on this assessment. However, there is a bit of uncertainty due to the structure of the rally that occurred between the 10th of June and here the July highs, because it's only a corrective 3-wave rally. That again leaves a lot of room for interpretation and is not clearly impulsive. Therefore, I cannot count this a 1-2-1-2 setup, but I can count it potentially as a larger diagonal. 1, 2, and then an A wave up, a B wave down, and the C wave to the upside that follows in a third wave. That would be bullish. In this scenario, support goes all the way down to $15, ideally, however, not below 17. So $17, sort of between 17 and 18 roughly would be sort of my ideal target range. I believe I said that already yesterday and the days before. 17 to $18 would be ideal. And let's see if we get there. But overall, we are already in the support area. I just don't have any evidence at this stage that price is already turning around and that price already completed this A, B, C structure. If we drop below $1,700, other scenarios will come into play and will need to be observed. Below 15, in my opinion, other scenarios are confirmed. And that could be the scenario highlighted in yellow, in which price formed actually a high B wave. Let's see if I actually have that on the chart. Yeah, in which price formed a high B wave. A wave down instead of wave 2 into the June lows. And then here the move up was actually a large B wave, an overshooting B wave, which is absolutely possible because with B waves, if they overshoot, they typically do not overshoot by more than 1.38 the length of the A wave. And it did exactly respect that. It respected that level in a phenomenal way. Therefore, I'm very open to the idea that this could just a high B wave. And therefore, you need to understand those two scenarios when you come up with your own strategy and when you decide in buying, because it could mean we drop quite a bit lower. So that leaves a few possible, considerations for strategy. For example, we could just wait for a confirmed low in place before we do something. So basically a first 5-wave move to the upside on a smaller time frame and a 3-wave pullback with a tight stop to go long. Or it might be worth just scaling in, accumulating slowly, spot market, while leaving cash for lower prices. That always bears the risk that price could just continue to drop because we haven't got a confirmed low in place. However, we're using these Fibonacci levels to establish where a low could happen. And as I said, below $17, we might morph into a different scenario, and that might open the door to $10. Below $10, I would look at new bear market lows, which means any drop below $8, probably around 7 to 8. So it would include another 30% drop, possibly more. Okay. But yeah, I think at the moment it's time generally in the altcoin market to be on the side of caution. Of all altcoins, I think Solana is one of the best performers at the moment. Unfortunately, it messed it up a little bit with this 3-wave rally. In the very short term, we can see that this is still an ABC structure. Doesn't make sense to go any more micro than this when we talk about counting. But what I can tell you is that I will assume that a low is in if price gets a sustained break above $23.70. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.